Okay, today's question. What could you do with an extra £1,000 in just 2 months? Would you finally clear that credit card balance that's been haunting you since last Black Friday? Save up for Christmas before December hits like a freight train. Or maybe, just maybe, you use that £1,000 to start investing and finally let your money work for you. Whatever your goal is, let's be real. An extra grand can be life-changing. But here's the thing, if you're waiting for a miracle, you might miss the very real, very doable ways to make it happen. So today, I'm breaking down 4 powerful ways you can make that extra £1,000 in just 8 weeks. We're talking working smarter, not harder, tapping into hidden income, and yes, even making money while decluttering your wardrobe. Right, let's get into it. This is the Smart Money Sister, and this is a challenge you cannot afford to miss out on. First, let's talk about the why. Because this isn't just about money. It's about freedom, peace of mind, and options. Maybe you need that extra cash to pay off high-interest debt that's draining your account every month. Build up an emergency fund so a broken boiler doesn't break your budget. Save for Christmas, a birthday trip to Barcelona, or to go towards your future home deposit. Or hey, maybe it's your time to finally start investing and build long-term wealth. Whatever your goal, having a solid reason behind it will keep you motivated, so when that second shift seems too much, or your side hustle hits a slow patch, you know why you are doing it. So keep your why close. Alright, option number 1 is simple, but solid. Work overtime or pick up extra shifts at your current job. It sounds obvious, right? But not every job advertises it. Sometimes you must be the one who offers to help out by putting in a bit more time. Let's say you earn £12 per hour, working just 5 extra hours per week. Over 8 weeks equals £480. Double it to 10 extra hours a week. That's £960. Boom, you're practically there already. That's a couple of hours extra a day, or a long day at the weekend. Not every job offers overtime, but if you work in retail, healthcare, logistics or hospitality, you probably can. And if your job doesn't, don't worry, keep watching. I've got more ideas for you. Remember that some workplace pays time and a half for overtime. Snatch those hours up. That's easy bonus money right there. A twist on overtime is selling back some of your holiday allowance. Your company may not provide overtime, but some will let you sell back unused holiday allowance. And that's effectively the same thing. If you are enjoying this video, then help us reach others by letting us know your thoughts in the comments. Whilst you are there, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It will really help us grow and be able to share our content with more people. Thanks so much. Next up, seasonal and part-time jobs. If you've got a couple of free evenings or weekends, consider picking up a temporary role, especially around Christmas. Retailers, restaurants, delivery services, they're all hiring like mad for that time of year. Let's say you work a 6-hour Saturday shift, earning £12 per hour. That's £72 in a week. Over 8 weeks, that's £576. And we're not even counting tips or bonuses. Here are some ideas of places to start. Christmas market stalls, parcel delivery, such as the Royal Mail or Amazon Flex. Supermarket shifts, Tesco, Asda, Sainsbury's, all hire extra help. And some companies even give staff discounts. So if you're saving for Christmas, that's a cheeky double win. The third strategy, and this is where it gets fun, are side hustles. The internet is your money-making playground. Here are some quick start ideas that can bring in £1,000 in under 2 months. Freelancing. Got skills in writing, graphic design, editing or admin? Sites like Fiverr or Upwork can be gold mines. Tutoring. If you're good at maths, English or science, parents are crying out for tutors. Try platforms like MyTutor or Superprof. Pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover or local Facebook groups are great for this. Plus cute puppies. Selling digital products. If you're creative, you can make Canva templates, planners, or budget trackers and sell them on Etsy. That's passive income, baby. Pick one side hustle and commit to doing it twice a week for 2 months. Track your progress and let me know how it goes in the comments. Last but never least, declutter your way to £1,000. Seriously, your house is probably hiding cash. Here's what to look for. Clothes you haven't worn in a year? Sell them on Vinted, Depop or eBay. Old tech like phones, tablets or consoles? Try Music Magpie or Facebook Marketplace. Books, furniture, baby gear, tools, anything useful can be sold. Most people can make £100 to £300 in a single weekend just by decluttering. Take 10 minutes right now, walk into your wardrobe, and pull out 5 things to sell. Just 5. Start small, and off you go. Let's recap. And remember, you can mix and match any 2 or more of these, and you can hit that £1,000 goal faster than you think. Overtime. A seasonal work or a part-time gig. A side hustle, and your own home as a cash gold mine. And remember, this isn't about hustling forever, it's a short sprint with a big reward. If this video helped or inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart money tips from yours truly. Let me know in the comments, what are you working toward with your extra £1,000? I'll be cheering you on every step of the way. Thanks for watching, drop a comment below and tell me which of these will work for you, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video on the channel. And let's build wealth together. See you soon.